Mm.
Give her loves. Flo, what are you trying to do?
Oh, wait.
Oh, wait. Give her sugars. How sweet. Give her love-ins. Oh, give Samantha love-ins. Oh, how sweet. Not that kind of love-ins, baby. Samantha, you give her sugar now. She said, I'll put my paw up her and flap her like I do. You put her on the bench and watch what she does.
No, she might get down if you try to put her, mess with her.
Get down and play with Flo. Done that the other day and she played with her. She was putting her little paw up. Oh, how sweet. Just getting all kind of sugars. Oh, my goodness. Look at the sugar being give.
I don't know if that's sugar or torture.
That's sugar. Look. Oh, getting good. Oh, that ain't sugar.
Flo, you're being a bad, dirty dog. She just loves her. She doesn't know. She wants to show her love a little bit. Samantha says, what is she doing to me?
Samantha's just standing there letting her have her way, ain't she?
Yeah, well, Samantha raised her.
She says, oh, how sweet.
Samantha slapping that tail around.
Give her sugar. Give her sugar. Love her. Give her a love tap. Give her a love tap. Flo, give her sugar.